Okay, and you get somewhere at the center, okay, with the yellow. So it's like this. You have yellow on the side, okay, and one at the center, like that. Okay, and then you blend this one, and then you blend also this one, and you blend this one. Okay, so you have like graded dark going light, and then you have dark at the center going light, dark at the center going light. You get it? Okay. And then after you have rendered that, you add brown on the side. Okay, brown on the side. And one at the center, like that. And you blend. Okay? Blend the brown. Blend the brown. Like that. Then you blend this one too. Okay? Now, after blending,